Welcome everybody to Money Math. This is Finance AF. My name is Alex, and today we are going to find out how much you can save by putting away $100 per month over time. Is that actually going to get you anywhere? Let's find out. All right, everybody, so let's review our parameters. We are putting away $100 per month. Once that $100 gets in there and any subsequent money, we are going to assume it's going to earn 7% on average per year because that is our average return that we always use. All right, so let's start with 5 years. But remember, we are doing this every single month. So when we go over the part over here, which is how many pay periods, it's going to be 60 because it is 5 years. There are 12 months per year, and we are going to be doing this every single month. So how many pay periods? 60, which is months or 5 years. Let's take a look, and it's going to be $7,159. Now remember, of this, $6,000 came out of your pocket that went in. 60 payments times $100, $6,000 out of pocket, which means all the rest of that is how much interest you've earned over the first 5 years. Now, let's take a look at 10 years. So boom, we have changed our end to 120 months, aka 10 years. And let's see what we're working with over here. Boom, $17,308. So already we're seeing where compounding interest is starting to do its thing. Before we had put $6,000 out of pocket, earned a little over $1,200 in interest. Now we have put $12,000 out of pocket, and really that compounding interest is starting to work for us. So let's keep that rolling and take a look at 20 years, 240 months. What would that do? Bang! $52,092. As you can see, this is the point where we have put $24,000 out of our pocket and our interest has exceeded that amount. So we have just over $28,000 in interest earned, $24,000 out of pocket, and we are up to $52,000 in that account after 20 years. But just for funsies, let's go ahead and take a look at 30 years. How much can compounding interest do with 10 extra years, 120 extra months, 360 months, bang, $121,997. As you guys can see, the more time you can let this plan work, the more compounding interest can do its thing, and the more it will benefit you. And yes, you can definitely do some damage with just $100 a month. That'll do it for today's Money Math. If you got calculations you'd like to see, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content like this, smash that like button on the way out, and that is Finance AF.